And I'm back with some more Hoovers. Here's my blue Hoover Elite, Hoover Elite 2. And then here's my Hoover Decade Soft and Light. Love them both. And I'm gonna let you see them. Out of these two, I probably like this one more. I mean, they're all pretty much the same, but I probably like this one more. So I'm gonna run this one first. Beautiful vacuum. And now for this one. I lied. I think I love those both. I love both Hoovers right there. Simply because they're Hoovers and they're blue and they both have working headlights. And they're both softback. So yeah, you can't really go wrong with that. Please go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe.